Let me show you how to see your WordPress blog traffic stats right from the admin dashboard. Open your WordPress login page and type your username or email, then your password and click Login. Once you're inside, you land on the WordPress dashboard. On the left side of the screen, find the admin menu and look for Stats. If you're on WordPress.com, Stats is directly in the dashboard sidebar. If you're on a self-hosted WordPress site using WP Admin, you may find it under Jetpack and then Stats. Click Stats. The Traffic Analytics page opens, and the main section you want to start with is Traffic. At the top of the Stats page, click the Traffic tab. The Traffic section gives you an overview of your site's activity, views, visitors, likes, comments, popular content, refers, countries, and devices. The exact information available depends on your WordPress.com plan and setup. Look for the Views section. Views represent the number of times your site's pages or posts were viewed. You'll usually see it as a graph. Move your mouse over the graph to see the number of views for individual dates. That's how you spot which days brought more traffic. Next, look at visitors. A visitor represents a person visiting your site during the reporting period. Don't be surprised if views is higher than visitors. A single visitor can view multiple pages, so one person can generate several views. Here's a simple example. Imagine one person visits your blog. They read the homepage, then blog post 1, then blog post 2. That's potentially one visitor but 3 views. That's why views will often be higher than visitors. By default, the traffic section may show a recent period such as the last 7 days. Look for the date or date range filter. Click it to change the period. You can choose a preset range or enter specific dates. For a better overall picture, select 30 days. I always switch to 30 days first because a single day tells you almost nothing. You can compare this month with the previous month to see whether your traffic is increasing or decreasing. Scroll down to Posts and Pages. This section shows which posts and pages receive the most views. For example, you might discover that How to Create a WordPress Website is your most viewed article. That tells you what type of content your audience is interested in. If you want more detail, look for View All or View Details at the bottom of the statistics card. Click it to see a more detailed breakdown of your posts and pages. Scroll down to Refers. Refers show where visitors are coming from. For example, your traffic might come from Google, Facebook, YouTube, another website, or direct traffic. This helps you understand how people are discovering your blog. If your visitors find you through search engines, you may see search-related traffic in your statistics. For example, if several visitors arrive through searches related to WordPress tutorials, you may want to create more content around that topic. Traffic sources can include search engines, social networks, and other referring websites. Scroll down to Locations. Depending on your WordPress.com plan, you may see where visitors come from by country, region, or city. If most of your visitors are from the Philippines, you may want to consider creating content particularly useful to that audience. Keep in mind location reporting isn't available on every plan. Look for devices. This can show the devices your visitors use: desktop, mobile, tablet, as well as browser and operating system information, depending on available stats features. If most visitors are on mobile, make sure your website looks good on a phone. Check text size, buttons, navigation, images, columns, and page spacing. That's especially important for blog websites. Go back to the top of the stats page and click Insights. Insights help you understand longer-term patterns and trends. Depending on your plan, you may see all-time views, all-time visitors, most popular day, most popular time, and other long-term statistics. One of the most useful things you can do with your traffic statistics is identify your best-performing content. Look at posts and pages and find the post with the highest number of views. For example, Post A might have 5,200 views, Post B 3,800, and Post C 1,200. This tells you which topics attract the most attention. Once you identify a popular article, think about related topics. For example, if How to Use WordPress is performing well, you could create How to Customize WordPress, How to Add Plugins in WordPress, How to Edit a WordPress website, or How to Create WordPress Categories. That helps you build a collection of related content. Look at your traffic graph. If you suddenly see a large increase in views, try to determine what caused it. Maybe a new article was published, a post was shared on social media, someone linked to your website, a post started ranking in search, or a video sent visitors to your site. Traffic spikes can help you identify successful content or promotional strategies. Traffic naturally changes from day to day. A single day with fewer visitors doesn't necessarily mean your website is performing poorly. Instead, look at 7-day trends, 30-day trends, or longer periods when your plan provides them. WordPress also notes that analytics tools aren't exact visitor counters because factors such as blockers, data loss, and other limitations can affect reporting. If you notice a sudden traffic spike from an unfamiliar source, check your refers. Some unusual traffic may come from automated bots. Jetpack Stats filters many known bots, but not every automated visit can necessarily be detected. You can also download your statistics. Open the relevant statistics section, click View All or View Details, then look for Download CSV. This saves your traffic data to your computer so you can analyze it later. A useful habit is to check your traffic regularly. For example, Week 1, 500 views, Week 2, 620, Week 3, 750, Week 4, 900. That gives you a better idea of whether your website is growing. Focus on the overall trend rather than individual days. When you publish a new article, give it some time to collect traffic. Then return to stats and traffic, look at your views and posts and pages, and see which new articles are gaining traction. Don't expect every visit to appear immediately. WordPress.com notes that views can be reported within roughly several minutes, while visitor numbers may take longer to appear. So if you just visited your website and don't immediately see the visitor count change, give the system some time. You don't need to check your stats every few minutes. A better approach is to review them regularly once a week or once a month. Look at total views, visitors, popular posts, traffic sources, and traffic trends. Now, 2 follow-ups worth doing right now. Click View All under Posts and Pages, then click any post title. That opens that single post's stats over time, which is the fastest way to see if a specific article is still pulling traffic. And scroll to the bottom of the stats page and look for the email report toggle. I turn that on so WordPress sends a weekly summary straight to my inbox instead of me having to remember to log in. If you're on a self-hosted site and stats is missing from the sidebar, go to Jetpack in the left menu and make sure the Jetpack connection to WordPress.com is active. Without that connection, the stats card never shows up. Before you go, hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment saying this was helpful. Comments are what push this to other people looking for the same thing.